Hello everyone. Today we will be solving the question minimum cost for climbing a stairs. So the question says that you are given an integer array cost where cost of I is the cost of ith step on a staircase. Once you pay the cost, you can either climb one or two steps. So here's the main logic here, that you can either climb one step or two step. So one more condition is here, that you can either start from the step with index 0 or start from the index 1. So this, I think these two information, it is this one and this one. What does this denote? It denotes that we can jump either one step above or one step to the two step forward. And this step tells us that we have two ways to start the solve question. The first one where we start with the 0th index, and second one where we start with the 1st index. So these are going to be the basic foundation of the question. So yeah, let's start writing the code. First method that I will be explaining here would be the recursion method. In the next video I'm going to tell the memoization method of it. So yeah, let's stay tuned for it. So let's start it. So I'll first write int n is equals to cost dot size. We are making a variable which denotes the size of our cost array. Now I am going to make a separate function. Next up, I'm just gonna return the this condition, that is, you can either start from 0 or you can either start from 1. So that's the main basis of what we are gonna return, that is return solve of when we start from n minus 1 index, that is n minus 1 comma cost, and so and when we solve for n minus 2th index comma cost, and we'll just take minimum of it because that is what is asked here. Now I will write the solve function and solve. What are the parameters here? That is the integer from where the jump is happening, and of course our cost array. So here it is. Now next, what I would do is write the base condition out, that is, if we are at 0th stair from top, the answer would just would return the cost of 0. And one more condition, that if I'm in first stair, I would just gonna return cost of 1, and at the end I'm just gonna return the current value plus minimum of this condition. What is this condition? We can either climb one step or two step, which means we need to solve for I minus 1 comma cost, and for I minus 2 comma cost. I think this is it. Let's try to run it. We are getting an error here because what is the error? That is Solve declared here. Solve cost. Okay. Okay, here I have written wrong. The bracket issue. It was just a bracket issue. Now I'll run it. Let's hope this works. Okay, it worked. Let's try to submit it. Time limited exited. So this is why we use recursion plus memoization. Using recursion, the time complexity is 2k power n, which is usually not advised compared to memoization, where time limit is reduced dramatically. But yeah, space optimization also increases in that. So yeah, in next video we will see how to memorize it. Thank you.